Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this segment, we'll look at how AI and sensor technology are not just futuristic concepts, but are already making a huge difference on the roads today. Let's take a closer look at the real-world applications and the future of crashless driving. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving systems represent one of the most talked-about advancements in semi-autonomous driving technology. Using a robust array of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and advanced AI, Tesla aims to reduce human error, which is responsible for over 90% of accidents. Autopilot features like automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping assist are already saving lives. Studies have shown that vehicles using autopilot experience fewer crashes compared to those that don't. But Tesla doesn't stop there. Their FSD system takes automation to the next level, navigating tight urban streets, recognizing stop signs, and even avoiding unexpected dangers like a car unexpectedly reversing. What sets Tesla apart is its use of real-world driving data. With millions of vehicles on the road, Tesla's neural network constantly learns from real-time user data. Each Tesla on autopilot functions as both a driver and a learner, transforming every trip into an opportunity to improve safety for the entire fleet. While FSD still faces regulatory and technical challenges, Tesla's relentless improvements show their dedication to making crashless cars a reality. It's not perfect today, but their progress is undeniable. Toyota's Safety Sense innovations. Toyota is another key player in the quest for crashless roads. Their Toyota Safety Sense package, which comes standard in many models, combines AI and sensor technologies to make driving safer for everyone. TSS features include pre-collision systems that detect both cars and pedestrians, even in low-light situations. Using advanced radar and camera tech, the system can alert the driver or automatically apply brakes to avoid impact. Beyond future implications for driving and society, the advent of crashless cars brings with it not just technological advancements, but profound societal implications. As these cars become more integrated into our lives, they will redefine the way we think about transportation, safety, and mobility. Let's explore how crashless cars will impact us beyond just avoiding accidents. A safer, more efficient transportation system. With crashless cars on the road, we can expect a significant reduction in traffic accidents and fatalities. In fact, experts predict that autonomous vehicles could cut traffic-related deaths by up to 90%. The absence of human error, like distractions, impairment, or simple mistakes, will make roads much safer for everyone, from drivers to pedestrians. Additionally, a decrease in accidents means fewer insurance claims and a drop in medical costs related to traffic injuries. This could lead to reduced premiums for drivers, as well as financial savings for society as a whole. But the benefits extend beyond just accident prevention. Autonomous vehicles will optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and increase fuel efficiency by coordinating movements and managing speeds more effectively. A smart, connected transportation system could reduce the need for expansive road networks and promote eco-friendly solutions such as electric cars, reducing emissions and promoting sustainability. A transformational shift in urban design and mobility. Crashless cars will change how we design cities. With fewer parking needs, since autonomous vehicles can drop passengers off and then park themselves elsewhere, urban spaces can be redesigned to prioritize people over vehicles. The need for vast parking lots in city centers could be greatly reduced, freeing up valuable land for parks, residential buildings, and businesses. This could create more walkable, livable cities with less reliance on personal car ownership. Additionally, shared autonomous vehicles could become the norm. Instead of owning a car, people might simply summon a driverless vehicle when they need it. This shift could make transportation more affordable, reduce the number of cars on the road, and lower carbon emissions. Ethical considerations and public trust. As AI-powered cars become more common, ethical questions will continue to arise. How should an autonomous vehicle make decisions in life-threatening situations? What if a car must choose between saving its passenger or avoiding harm to pedestrians? These are difficult moral dilemmas that the industry is working to address. To ensure that these vehicles are trusted by the public, transparency and accountability will be crucial. Companies must make clear how their systems are designed, how decisions are made in critical situations, and how they protect personal privacy and data. Regulatory frameworks will also need to evolve to keep pace with these innovations. Governments worldwide must collaborate to create laws that regulate the use of autonomous vehicles, ensuring safety, fairness, and accessibility for all. The role of the human driver in the future. Despite the rise of autonomous technology, human drivers won't disappear overnight. In fact, we may see a hybrid system for a while, where vehicles are partially automated, and drivers still play an active role in managing the vehicle. The transition to fully autonomous cars will take time, and while AI will handle most driving tasks, humans will still need to be alert and ready to take over in some situations. That said, for those who are unable to drive due to age, disability, or other reasons, crashless cars offer a new level of independence. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of physical ability, can travel safely and independently. The environmental impact of crashless cars. One of the often overlooked advantages of crashless cars is their potential to reduce environmental impact. Autonomous vehicles can be programmed to drive more efficiently, conserving fuel and reducing emissions. In fact, experts predict that once fully integrated, autonomous fleets could lower fuel consumption by as much as 10%. Furthermore, these vehicles will likely be powered by renewable energy sources. Electric vehicles, EVs, are expected to become the dominant form of transportation in the near future, and autonomous driving technology will complement this shift. By combining clean energy with AI-driven efficiency, we'll reduce the carbon footprint of the entire transportation sector. The road to fully autonomous vehicles. While we're still a few years away from fully crashless cars, the journey has already begun. We've seen significant advancements in autonomous vehicle technologies, and every day brings new breakthroughs in AI, machine learning, sensors, and connectivity. Companies like Waymo, Tesla, and Toyota, along with many others, are investing billions of dollars into the future of mobility. But this isn't just about technology. The successful rollout of crashless cars will require collaboration between automakers, regulators, and the public. Safety standards, ethical frameworks, and legal structures will need to evolve to ensure that these cars are safe, equitable, and trusted by all. The road to fully autonomous cars may not be without challenges, but the potential rewards are immense. By eliminating accidents, saving lives, reducing environmental impact, and reshaping urban mobility, crashless cars could be one of the most transformative technological advancements of our time. Final thoughts. A future of safe, smart, and sustainable travel. As we look toward 2025 and beyond, crashless cars represent a fundamental shift in how we think about transportation. These cars will not just be a marvel of technology, they'll be a revolution in safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Whether you're excited by the prospect of never having to worry about a car accident again, or you're fascinated by the possibilities of smarter, greener cities, it's clear that the future of driving is rapidly changing. The arrival of crashless cars is not just an advancement in technology, it's the dawn of a new era in transportation, where safety is no longer a risk but a guarantee. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.